Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A53 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. First of all, go into Settings, scroll down and tap on Advanced Features. Then you need to scroll down again and click on one-handed mode. Following that, tap on the switcher to activate it and pick one of those options to reduce display size with gesture or button. I will go with buttons, I have to click on it and follow those instructions. Double tap the home button. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is now on. If you wish to change a place of it, you can always do that by dragging it to the top or clicking on this little icon at the side. If you wish to go back, click on the blurry area. If you wish to turn off one-handed mode completely, click on the switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!